I am traumatized by Korean skincare line. I'm getting allergic reactions all over my nose. Last time I filmed this kind of video was long time ago, most likely around 7-8 years. I have a Korean skincare line. I went to TJmaxx and I'm like, I'm white girl. I don't know which brand is good. If you Korean, Japanese or Asian and you know all those brands, I'm sorry, you're probably gonna think I'm stupid. I spent $125 on a skincare that I had no idea. I didn't want to go to Sephora and buy and spend like thousands of dollars. I want to save it because I don't know. I spent over an hour reading ingredients. I try to get everything that doesn't have fragrance, alcohols, or parabens. Today I'm gonna be testing with you guys all of the skincare I want to do for 1 week and to see if there's a difference, what kind of difference. This was $10 and I read the ingredients of every single one of those, but this doesn't have fragrance, and this was the most expensive cleanser from the Korean line they had. So Osaka. Oh, this is from Japan. Holy shit. You're probably watching, you're like, that's Japanese, that's not Korean. There we go. I'm sorry, happens. All right, mask. I'm gonna be testing at the end everything. Mask must be from Korea. Please tell me this is from Korea. Korea. All right, mask is from Korea. Okay, there we go. I need to remember this Korean, Japanese. Vitamin C wrapping mask. Niacinamide, as I told you, hyaluronic, they have a lot. So this is the mask, Dark Spot Care, or wherever the brand is. Darbu, maybe that's the brand. All right, please tell me this is Korea. Korea. Now I have a trauma. I'm like, guys, I'm gonna make a video with the Korean skincare line, and the first product that I have is from Japan. 9 Wishes brand. Can you see? It's very bright. I'm gonna read. This is rice 72 toner with rice bran water niacinamide. I'm telling you, in Korea everything is with niacinamide. All right, eye gel. I love those, and I know this is Korean. So hydrogel eye patches are revitalizing with PDRN, niacinamide, vegan collagen, peptides, pentanol, hyaluronic acid. Awesome ingredients. Ooh, smells like pentanol. There we go. All right. Okay, and the next product, it is rice protein milky serum for glassy skin, firm skin. Midha in. So that's the milky serum. I'm gonna start using everything together in a bit. I don't think there's fragrance, doesn't smell like. But glass skin, Snail serum. I don't know if I like it, but like, hey, I just wanted to test. All right, Snail serum. Snail serum with ceramide, hyaluronic acid, snail mucin. I have not tried anything, guys. I have here Bonnie Hill niacinamide facial mist, hydra plumping brightening, made in Korea. Oh, thank God that it's saying that it's made in Korea. Red ginseng cream, hydrating, nourishing. Please tell me this is okay. I think that's Korean. Yes, 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 yes. Fragrance at the very, very end. So smells very herbalist. All right, and the mask. Tell me this is Korean. Oh no, this is Japanese again. Fermented rice mask pack, Sake-less for glassy skin. Japan. Hey, but I guess I'm gonna have to go to South Korea and Japan because I want to go to those two countries. They have the best. What I heard, some dermatologist was explaining that Korean skincare line, yes, it's trendy, is popular, it's working, but Japanese skincare, it's kind of like really, really high end and really like for people that is kind of less known, less popular, less on social media, but is right there on the top of the world market of skincare. And that's kind of scary because it's also not cheap, but this was $8. Okay, so guys, this is Korean / Japanese skincare review. Let's get to the business right now. Let's get some kombucha. Does kombucha come from Japan? All right, I just washed my hands. I'm gonna start this with the not Korean cleanser. I have a white towel here that I only use for skincare, and I'm gonna do a few pumps. Laptop. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, it's very watery. Ooh, that's not really much oil. Oh, it's drippy. It's like dripping. Whoa, no fragrance, smells like nothing. Like literally I like it because it smells like nothing. Smells like oil. I like that. All right, I'm gonna clean this. I did double cleansing with this oil. I really like it. Doesn't leave any oily residue. And I washed my neck as well. Oh no, I guess non-Korean face mask. I need to put it on. Use apply or appropriate amount to the entire face, avoiding the eye area. After 5 minutes, gently rinse off. Another tip, when you guys buy anything in TJmaxx, make sure it's sealed, because people, they're like sticking their fingers with the fungus and with STD. You don't want to buy anything that has been open. Ooh. Smells sweet. And product smells sugary. The fragrance, no bueno. Alright guys, I'm gonna rinse this off in 5 minutes and I'm gonna be back. Toner goes next. I haven't used toner in a really long time. Toners are not completely necessary unless they have very hydrating properties, which this have. Rice extract is usually hydrating. And meanwhile, I'm gonna put this toner. No fragrance. No, at least it does feel like hydrating and milky. Toner is approved. Oh, that feels so hydrating. I like that. Ooh. This is video for entertaining purposes. This didn't dry yet, so I'm moving on to this serum, which is Snail serum. Okay, 4 pumps, Snail mucin and hyaluronic acid. Heavily fragranced. I don't like it. No, I don't like fragrance. I'm not gonna be using this. All right, spray this. Niacinamide facial mist with rice as well. Fragrance as well. I don't like it. All right, this is the only one thing left. I'm gonna wait a little bit. What is that? Oh, so much fragrance. All right, so I'm gonna apply mask over here. Do everything what instructions tells me to do. I still wanna do what I promise I will do, guys. So this is rice mask that later you kind of have to peel off. All right, 3 products left. We're almost done. I'm using this serum that it comes only half of it for some reason, or I don't know what's going on. Malfunctioning dropper, because look, just to focus. There we go. I think Koreans have glass skin because, first of all, they're biologically luckier, especially than us Caucasian people, because they have way more subcutaneous fats. Of course, skin feels hydrated because it's a lot of hydrating, brightening ingredients. So my skin looks good, but my skin is always looking good. This doesn't have that much smell, so I like it. I'm not buying skincare anymore from TJmaxx. All right, now I'm gonna finalize with the red ginseng cream. Oh, now I like smell of this. Smells like a rose. Reminds me of my grandma's garden. Oh, reminds me of my childhood for some reason. Smells herbally. I like this cream. I'm probably gonna keep this cream. Everything, you know what I noticed? In their line besides fragrance, it feels hydrating. At the same time, like kind of like lightweight, but also like heavy. I don't know if that makes sense. It feels like a rain, like a forest on my face. Can go in the hairline and in the hair. It's fine. Cream is totally okay on your hair. Guys, I do have a glass skin, but what's gonna happen once I rinse this off? There's no glass skin. Approve the cream. I'm definitely keeping cleanser in this cream. I like it. They don't have fragrance. I'm returning this. This is heavily fragranced. I return this. I don't even know if you can return skincare in TJmaxx. I'm kind of scared because this is half. Somebody was using this. And this. Am I gonna keep this toner? All right, and the last product left, it is niacinamide PDRN. You know, guys, what is PDRN, right? This smells like herbally. Woo! Okay. But for real, guys, I'm planning to go to Korea, explore the market from skincare owners' perspective. There are manufacturers that we could move something maybe from USA to there. I do produce my all skincare line over here in the States. For those who don't know, I own a holistic natural skincare line, Hi, and I review other brands as well, and I'm not sure why I'm reviewing this. Oh my god, these things, like, I'm already stressed with how slippery these things are. I masked, but it went all the way down to my cheek. There we go. Go up. Go up. And I'm gonna put it here too, just so I can feel it. There we go. This is how you get glassy Korean skin by using Korean skincare line. To be honest, I really like Japanese cleanser, which is not even Korean. Kind of, this is okay. Rice, 9 wishes. This toner. And this cream, this ginseng cream, it's okay as well. Not my favorite, but it's okay. All right, this feels sticky. I'll get back to you guys in 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna take off those things. It's been some quite time, at least 15 minutes. And I'm taking this all off and I'm gonna show you guys my skin. So, I don't know, just overdone too many products and my skin is starting to get allergic reaction because of the fragrance, and I can't stand this fragrance smell, and something is here already happening. Like, I'm getting allergic reaction. This, I'll keep it even if it's half. I like this. This doesn't have fragrance. All right, that's what I'm gonna keep, you guys. I'm gonna keep this rice to meet you, rice protein milky serum. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna keep this rice from 9 wishes toner, and I'm gonna keep this red ginseng cream for my hands, and this cleanser. This cleanser, I really love it. I would say 2 best products from everything I bought is this cleanser and this rice toner. Definitely no fragrance. Maybe some ingredients are smelling like a fragrance, but I don't see fragrance here. Like mild, very little, but it could be ingredient. I am traumatized by Korean skincare line. Tell me in the comments below if you know skincare line from Korea that doesn't have fragrance, that works really well. And this, like, yeah, it's peeling off right now. If you're gonna see now. Yeah, it's peeling off, and okay. Very fragranced. It's interesting. I failed with this video, guys. And my skin is getting allergic reaction and it's getting red a little bit here. Maybe you don't see that much on the camera. It's getting red here, 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 here. I'm gonna go wash everything off, to be honest, and use my kbeauty skincare line. I'm sorry I failed.